So this is for the back. So a couple different ways we can work the back. So there's the upper body moving on a stable lower body. And then you can do also the hip components, which was featured in another video, to kind of work on the other side of things. So just identifying what's tight, kind of where, and with what movements you can identify. If you're more, think about the functional aspect of when you feel the pain too. So to try to work to train, or if it's too painful to train it because it's too hard to control that weight, you might want to consider doing more of like the there. But if it's like right here, if I'm bending in half, that's when that gets stretched. That's where I want to work that muscle to work it out. I can work the bottom or the top. And in some cases, you might be able, if you're creative enough, be able to do both. But the band would be like something like that. So I'm going to do a standing version. Again, I can use a chair here. So say it's my right low back. I want to keep that back straight. Back, push back, think of like a deadlift. I can allow my knees to bend, just give a little slack, and I'm going to do that kind of like rowing motion. I can go into a stride here, pulling back. That's going to tension through there a little more. As I bend over, if that's too painful, you can try it with the leg behind you. Tension there. Again, you can angle differently. You can come across. This is where you might want to use a band with your hand. So that's what I was getting at earlier, I think, is that you have the band on your leg, but you can also have the band on your hand. And now it's really like starting a lawnmower or something. So I could have it here, and I could actually have the band pull me down and across. I'm controlling it though. I'm not falling or collapsing. I'm eccentrically controlling the muscle to work there. I can face towards it, same thing, kind of have it pull down. I could have the band go up, and I could have it pull me up too. Wherever you feel like it's limited, basically you can kind of cater to that. And that's pretty much that one.